It is 6:30 a.m. and we're going to be doing a little bit of cooking with Bex, morning brekkie routine. So basically, got up, been for a pee, looked at the view, and then had a drink, set up my gas stove, which is really quick and simple. It's just like the pushy system and then twist. And then I filled up my titanium pot, which is really nice and lightweight. I love the two handles, with porridge oats. And I restocked on porridge oats yesterday. I came with a full bag and I filled up again with a nice full bag. And now I'm going to add a bit of water to my porridge and give it a bit of a mix. I've also got some bananas that I bought yesterday, so I might add some banana today, spice it up a bit, and I always add a little bit of brown sugar as well. I've waited until the porridge is super thick because I like mine not when it's like really runny. It feels like you're not really eating anything. So I wait till it's thick. I've had my brown sugar and then I've got some huge lumps of banana, as you can see. So that's me done for brekkie. Set me up for the day. Plan is now to just pack up everything inside my tent. I didn't show you yesterday, but here is my ration pack bag. Pretty happy with that. It's full up to the brim, but it weighs quite a bit, like it's quite heavy. And it didn't all fit in there actually. I had to put some in a plastic bag as well. So I'm really stocked up now. That means I don't really have to stop over anywhere or get food from anywhere. I can just plod on and carry on and camp where I want, which is quite nice. And I won't be hungry anymore. Obviously when you're doing big mileage days, you do tend to burn a lot more calories, so you do need a lot more food. Ended up being 17 miles yesterday, so God knows how many calories that burns, but it did feel like it burned a lot, and I was eating lots and I was hungry. So I'm glad I've got all this food now. I'm gonna brush my teeth and start packing up. Quite sad leaving that camp spot this morning. Time is 8:15 and I am on the trail again. Quite nippy this morning, but it looks like it's going to be another sunny day. So I think this whole weekend is supposed to be really hot and sunny, and then after that it gets quite rainy and back to classic Scottish weather. I love reading this though, and reading all the facts and everything as I go along, like reading about this military road and the gold panning back in Tyndrum. That's really popular, doing gold panning around there. And there was like a big industry, like an Australian mining company mining for gold, and they got thousands of pounds for it. Another beautiful day, super hot. I'm just waiting for it to hit 12 o'clock and it just be blazing down on me. But you can see, got the mountains in the background, and I'm just walking through this lovely conifer forest. So stunning. And I just stopped at that hotel back there, Bridge of Orkney Hotel, for a coffee, and met some girls who were walking the West Highland Way. Heading into Glencoe territory now. The mountains are just getting bigger and bigger. This section here is so desolate now. And I can see where I camped last night over on that hill or mountain. I just passed a really nice couple who are from around the area and asked how long it is to King's Hotel, and they said it's another 5 miles. So I think I'll definitely make that tonight, which I'm happy with, and I might even have some extra time, which would be great because I'm planning on having a shower. When I stayed near this area last year, I passed King's Hotel and actually stayed at the Glencoe ski resort. So I'm hoping to either shower at the ski resort or King's Hotel. That would be ideal because I really need one now, I'm stinking. And I said, whereabouts is it from here? And you can see right in the distance there's a tiny little path that goes up the ridge and along the ridge line. So yeah, a long way, and it looks like it's going to climb very shortly. Just stopped over to fill my water bladder up. If you're looking for a water bladder for the Sawyer squeeze, I'd recommend this one. It's been amazing. It's 2 litres and it hasn't split, and I've always had that problem with the Sawyer squeeze bag, but the Sawyer squeeze mini itself is amazing. It's just the bag isn't the best, so it's better combo having the Sawyer squeeze mini and this bag. So I'm just going to fill up from this beautiful little stream. There is a cairn up there which looks over Rannoch Moor, which is the largest wilderness in Britain. 50 miles square it is. So I think you can just see the cairn up there, which marks the top of this mountain that I've been walking for ages. And you look at that view. As well as midges, the ticks are rife at the minute in Scotland, this time of year anyway. Earlier I pulled one out of my leg, and Claude messaged me and said that she had one in her leg also. So yeah, they're obviously out and about, and you got to watch it because you can get Lyme's disease if they're in for a certain amount of time. So pretty crazy. I can see King's Hotel now. Now walking down the ski resort road, I'm getting flashbacks when I first came here last year. Completely different weather though. There was Storm Lorenzo or something last year, and now it's like a serious heat wave. But it's beautiful. It looks completely different when it's like this in different weather conditions.
You in the sky.